Found this little hummingbird in the bay, and he was dehydrated, and he collapsed. So I gave him drink a little water. You want to drink a little bit of that water? Want to drink some of it? Come on, Bubba. Get him drinking a little bit. There we go. That's the ticket. Yeah, get in there and get you some of that. There you go. That's a good guy. Poor little fella. Want some more? He was almost dead. There you go, little guy. Get you a little bit more. Yeah, get your head in there. There you are. Yeah, buddy. Didn't have nothing to drink in the old fire station, did you, buddy?